Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Quantlytica token. Ticker symbol is Qtlx. Now this token, it was just announced as getting a very big central exchange listing starting September 13th. We're going to go over the information on the Quantlytica token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Quantlytica token. So this token is on the Arbitrum blockchain. You can find it on arbiscan.io. Ticker symbol QTLX. 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 100 million tokens. And it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting September 13th at 10 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol QTLX, and then simply just buy the token. Now going on today, starting, let's see here, September 10th, there is a Kickstarter event. You could check that out. You could vote with MX tokens and potentially win airdrops. And there is a reward pool available of 30,000 USDT up for grabs. So check out that Kickstarter event. Now, Quantlytica is an AI-powered multi-chain liquidity distribution protocol that streamlines finding and building the best liquidity strategies. Leveraging machine learning and statistical models, Quantlytica first conducts horizontal comparisons of returns, liquidity risks, and safety across all DeFi projects. It then provides multiple automated strategies tailored to various user needs. Our fund SDK toolkits further lower the barriers to Web3, making DeFi strategy building and testing fast, easy, and accessible to everyone. We help Web3 users who prefer low risk or lack product differentiation skills in DeFi to reduce the uncertainty and opportunity cost of choosing projects. Through simple aggregated operations, we automate participation in the quick evolving of Web3's ecosystem. Now, the protocol is currently maintained by Quantlytica team and capital partners. Gradually, it will be managed by more various independent developers and governed by the QTLX holders. So eventually it says it'll be a governance token. You can find brief descriptions of all the core products, governance processes, and links to active communication channels on their document section. So their webpage is quantlytica.com. Over there you can find the socials like the Twitter I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here, Telegram, and their document section, which will take you to docs.quantlytica.com. And then over there you can find all the links and governance info and all that type of stuff. So Quantlytica stands at the forefront of DeFi as a liquidity distribution protocol integrating several reliable DeFi protocols across multiple chains. Our stringent selection process ensures that each integration meets high standards of security, performance, and credibility, providing secure and lucrative yield opportunities, leveraging advanced artificial intelligence LSTM networks. Quantlytica performs thorough due diligence on all potential integrations. Our AI systems continuously analyze each asset's financial health and reliability, adding an extra layer of security and maintaining the integrity of our investment offerings. Designed with the user in mind, Quantlytica features a streamlined interface that consolidates various protocols into one easily accessible location. This simplifies the user experience, allowing for engagement with multiple investment opportunities through a single click. Now, our platform excels in AI-driven liquidity automation, analyzing extensive data sets to tailor capital strategies to individual users' needs. The results is optimal project portfolios and capital allocation strategies designed to maximize returns. Additionally, our automated capital allocation manages investments efficiently, freeing users from manual intervention. For users seeking deeper strategic insights, Quantlytica provides comprehensive documentation on advanced strategies such as our smart DCA and various hedge fund techniques. These resources offer detailed analysis and guidance, enabling users to make well-informed decisions and optimize their investment outcomes. Moreover, Quantlytica is more than just a platform for passive following. We will gradually release our fund SDK and risk management protocol to empower protocol builders and fund managers to build, scale, and monetize on Quantlytica's infrastructure. These strategies can range from quantitative trading, index investment, TVL acceleration, and router optimization to customized allocators and DeFi native combinations. Strategy creators can leverage Quantlytica's building blocks without financial or coding expertise, benefiting from various DeFi protocol integrations, example DEX, lending, derivatives, yield farming, fee rules for participation, management, entrance fees, backtesting, simulation framework, advanced risk management tools designed like Murex. With these features, Quantlytica serves as your liquidity gateway, designed to bridge the gap between protocols and users, making DeFi participation fast, easy, and accessible for everyone. So there is a bug bounty, a referral program, a couple seasons for reward programs, liquidity automation, the Quantlytica index, fund SDK, risk management, fee structures, all these things you can review on their document section that you could find at quantlytica.com. So check it all out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.